We know that this new government has come into play. NDA 3 is here. And as an investment advisor, what trends do you see for our investors, judicious investors?
So I'll break this into two trends.
Hmm.
The first is a short-term trend, which I
Right.
will first take, and then I'll explain the long-term trend.
Sure.
So the short-term trend is that post these election results, there has been a big frenzy in buying. Mid, small caps have rallied like never before.
Hmm.
People who have been on the sidelines thinking that maybe NDA won't be in power and there could be a very unstable government, have now changed their minds, and that money is going to start coming into the markets. So there is a buying frenzy right now, and the rally is ongoing. ऐसा
Hmm.
it's not, I'm not saying bubble है, मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि साथ में corporate earnings भी हैं,
Hmm.
तो but ये जो शॉर्ट ट्रेंड है इसको रिवर्स होने को बहुत टाइम नहीं लगेगा, बिकॉज एज अ वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी वी आर अ लिटिल फ्रेजाइल.
Hmm.
There are wars happening. There is an excessive amount of debt in the largest economy of the world, which is the US.
Hmm.
There's an election coming in the US. So short term, there are headwinds to the market. एक बहुत ही स्कैरी ट्रेंड जो है ना, मैं अभी अगर बोलूँ तो ये है कि जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, जो एस्ट्यूट इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, मतलब दे आर नॉट ट्रेडर्स, दे आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग एट लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर्स,
Hmm.
दे आर बीइंग चूजिंग फंड्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पास्ट रिटर्न्स. तो एक पर्टिकुलर एक फंड हाउस है जिसके सारे फंड्स में ही पैसा जा रहा है, या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड्स में पैसा जा रहा है, मोमेंटम में पैसा जा रहा है, क्योंकि दीज फंड्स परफॉर्म वेरी वेल इन द लास्ट 2 years.
So this is wrong.
Of course, because these are short trends. There are periods of time where small cap will give you zero returns. Like I said, 2006 to 2014 वाला जो एक phase था,
हाँ.
7 साल का, there have funds which have delivered, मतलब capital तक वापस नहीं मिला आपको.
Hmm.
Mutual funds.
Hmm.
लोग वो टाइम को भूल चुके हैं, ऑफ कोर्स नेचुरली, और अब ये नया एक ट्रेंड है, बिकॉज दिस टाइम इज डिफरेंट, बट इट्स नेवर डिफरेंट इन द वे इट एंड्स.
Hmm.
Okay, so going, instead of going for what is hot, go for the things that have always been there and have been through volatility and still endured and given good returns.
Yes. Which still stands strong.
Strong despite the crashes.
Okay.
So which means that this is a good time to rebalance into stronger assets, assets that are less prone to volatility, okay, in better quality companies. Maybe this is the time you need to do this. The shorter term trend for 2024 is that you need to be careful about where your money is going. Yeah. So, for example, I have been recommending a lot of multi asset funds, hybrid funds, so that there is some amount of balancing that happens between safe and risky assets.
Okay.
So, this is one thing which is a shorter term trend. Now, in the longer term,
Yes.
a very interesting piece of demographic trivia. 10 years back, the average age, or sorry, the median age of the Indian was 21 years.
हाँ. Okay. ठीक है.
Today, the median age is 28 years, which will keep going up now. We are growing older.
Yes. Yes.
A 21-year-old क्या खर्च करेगा, क्या खाएगा, क्या spend करेगा? Yes?
Yes.
But 28 से आपका spending चालू होता है. This is an age where the consumption starts growing.
Absolutely.
We grow in terms of what we are consuming right up to into our 50s. Which is why Amrit Kal is a word that you will hear very often from fund managers. But it is true, because whenever a population goes into this demographic phase, you see a huge consumption bump in the economy. This, when accompanied with political backing, good policies from the government, when backed with good corporate governance, you will see a boom in economy. This is a phase where Indians are going to make money in their own country. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि corrections नहीं आएंगे, नीचे नहीं जाएगा market, ये बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है.
This is the nature of the market.
This is the nature. You will have corrections. Corrections नहीं हुए तो in fact that is not good. It's not healthy. It's necessary कि आप एक cleansing होता है whenever the markets correct. So there will be corrections in the interim, but the longer term. So for all people who are listening to me also, stay invested in the equity markets, but stay invested in good quality. Whether आप कोई भी market cap ले रहे हो, आप कोई भी type के companies ले रहे हो, but stay invested in quality, and you have a lot of money to make in the next 2 decades. I'm not talking about 2 years, 3 years. ये एक longer term trend है, because of the demographic shift that we are going through. So when people say we are going to become the third largest economy, the second largest, this is the reason that we have the power of a demography which is young and consuming.
What sectors to watch out for in the coming times when it comes to investments?
So sectors to watch out for are several.
Hmm.
It's a diversified mix.
Right.
When I said that India is a growing economy,
Yes,
there are
yes.
many trends that will follow that. The largest trend being you will have a consumption boom. So
Hmm.
consumption sector,
Okay.
infrastructure,
Hmm.
banking because the whole economy passes through the banking sector before it percolates to industry.
Right.
Pharmaceuticals,
Hmm.
healthcare
Hmm.
will be an industry to watch out for.
Hmm.
Automobiles will be a industry to watch out for. And also, I've seen one more thing as a trend. Jab se BJP has come into power, they have ensured that companies have been paid their subsidies, in time. Their payments are going in time. So companies which erstwhile were in debt because the government wasn't paying them, they were working with the government and the government payments weren't coming on time. Those sectors have suddenly become very efficient because they've started
Hmm.
getting money, they are getting free of debt. Those sectors you could look at. So I think ओवरऑल अ डाइवर्सिफाइड बैग, कोई एक सेक्टर को देख के फायदा नहीं, वो सेक्टर रोटेशन होता रहेगा.
Hmm.
एक डाइवर्सिफाइड बैग में आप इन्वेस्ट करो, यू विल मेक अ ट्रेमेंडस
Right.
वेल्थ.
So ultimately, the fundamentals of investing, which is diversification and standing long and strong, plays a key role when it comes to investments. Thank you so much, Kavita, for such an insightful session. It was truly a pleasure having you and you wonderful people. For more such insightful videos, stay tuned to Money Matters on Midday.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.